but you can't get it for free. What's up? I'm pretending to make a video, so shut up. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So, yeah, we're playing more Subway Surfers. I like this game. It's really fun. I'm gonna play it a few times and shutting it down. You know what I mean? So, yeah. What? Oh, I hit myself. Okay, I hit. So cool. By the way, what are the games you want to see? Logan. She's looking. So. She's looking. So here's the trick you guys can do. Yeah, whatever. But if you stay on this, if you stay on the trains, you don't die as easy. Like it already. And it's easier. No. Anyway, this is really fun. I like this game a lot. So also, yeah, if you stay in the trains, it'll really. Really? Do you have to download the entire App Store? No. I deleted the last one. I was trying to download the entire App Store. Oh. Make sure you ask Mom. We have to ask her mom. By the way, if you stay on the trains, it makes it a whole lot easier on this one, but you have to go at a certain speed to stay on the trains. And yeah. Also, there's a weird thing if you die and a train's coming at you, and there's like a thingy in another train that you hit on when the cop's chasing you, and the train will go right through it if you hit it just right. It's really weird. I'll try to show you guys if I can get it just right. Also, you can like see it go through the trains sometimes. It's really weird. I don't like that glitch. And also, sometimes you can jump without even the bouncy boots. Like as soon as you get them, jump, and you'll jump normally. You know what I mean? It's really weird. I don't know. But, whoa. Anyway, whoa. I'm still trying to beat my high score that I set earlier. Really massive high score. Yeah. It's hard to talk on playing, you know. Still get used to it, but jump. Okay. Don't mind me if I'm coughing, because I have a really weird throat, and I might be sick tomorrow, so I am. But guys, see Minecraft now? Anybody? Shut up. And guys, I'll be joining his Minecraft. It's five nights. Yeah, I'm gonna get Minecraft Pocket Edition on his, and it's gonna be awesome. Look, Logan. What do you want, Brain? Five Nights at Freddy's in Minecraft. Whatever, now shut up. It's so cool looking. Look. Look at that, okay. Logan. Look, there's a room. Yeah, whatever. So I assume it's been going on for 5 minutes, and I haven't died yet. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Did you see that? I went twice, and I didn't even get, and the police guy didn't even catch up. Don't you guys hate that when that happens? Like, when you're running it and you have those three, like where it's like three side, then it like then your magnet runs out. Yeah, see the glitch? Well, also also crap, that sucks. I missed the map. Right there, and the magnet's not even here for me. Great, that's wonderful. Oh, 26. Calm down. Yeah, whatever. Logan. Yeah, whatever, Lyndon. No, seriously, Logan, this is cool prank. Oh. Five Nights at
Whatever.
Jurassic World.
Yes, I got another score booster.
Logan, look. Five Nights at Jurassic World.
Yeah, that's stupid. Let's see.
For FNAF.
See, look at my silver.
He laughed.
I'm finally in silver, Lyndon.
Logan.
Sorry.
Five Nights at Freddy's screen
Look.
off. Look at this.
Well, I'm in silver for real. Legit.
Look,
You guys
Logan.
took me
Look,
it took me like
for the
5
pattern
hours
thing.
to do that.
So this is for a pattern. It's not really a game. I'm just doing it.
Sometimes those can be hacked.
Actually, lock screen.
Pokemon.
Screen for
I want
Pokeball.
I want a Pokemon wallpaper.
Lock screen.
Dude, he's freaking annoying when he's doing that. You know what I mean? He's loud as heck. And you gotta speak up, you know. I don't have a freaking microphone, so you're gonna have to freaking speak louder. Because if I were to be a YouTuber, I would have to, you know, whatever. Whatever.
I downloaded 2 things for
Whatever. Brainhead. Wallpapers? That calling stuff is fake, but it's really fun to do. It's just to keep you entertained and pretend like you're calling. Most YouTubers actually do that kind of stuff. They would get one of those apps and then they would act like they're actually calling them, but it's really fake.
It's really cool. Into it, it'll sound like Freddy.
Technical. Sometimes when you're calling on a phone, you can get like a certain app that makes you sound like a certain someone. It's really cool how what people make anymore. What is that thing? I want to know. I wonder what that is. I guess I'll never know. Yeah, but 2 minutes. I'll end this video. Okay, so lag. I hate lags. It's so annoying. Then in my game's lagging like crazy, but I have freaking internet. And when I have freaking running off hotspot, that makes no sense. Oh, I wasn't fast enough, so. Dang, it's freaking lagging like nuts. Maybe I should start doing my recording offline. And I know these bouncy boots can attract things when you're up in the air, but who really cares? Yeah. What do you want? Oh yeah. Yeah. Share this channel with your friends and whatnot. So yeah. Sorry if the audio is crappy. pull my tablet out of. Yeah. Anyway. Crap. Okay. That's gonna be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.